just built up this wildfire of like, curiosity, and it was honestly, I really had to do it like that because it was just me. It was just me and my wife there, and I couldn't really take on any people.
Right.
So it became like this secret thing, and people were saying, "Well, it's like the Fight Club. It's an underground thing, whatever that saying goes. But it's an underground thing." I was like, "Oh shoot, okay, underground." So I wrote that down because I didn't open up as Mike Underground.
No.
And then I got my first delivery. I was like, I got a delivery. I was like, shit, I got no delivery drivers. So I went on the dining room floor and I pulled a busboy out.
That's the story I heard.
The busboy's dressed, tie, white shirt, the whole nine. I was like, come on. Goes and makes a delivery. Next you know, the lady's like, I just got my Mike's Underground. I can't believe it. They come dressed in suits and this and that. Blah, blah, blah. And I'm like, put the suit. Perfect. So basically, my fans were naming my place. They were really,
giving you the ideas.
Right, giving me the ideas as I went along. And that's pretty much how that happened.